Another world is possible is not just a slogan, but a cry that captures the struggles, hopes and aspirations of millions. Over 300 million indigenous peoples in 70 countries across the globe keep this hope alive by their continuous struggle against every form of exploitation, torture, displacement and decimation of the life on the planet. The indigenous peoples at large not only face the wrath of poverty, malnutrition, illiteracy and landlessness, but are also increasingly forced to face the threat of displacement from their own habitat and alienation from their culture due to mega projects and industrialization, all in the name of development.
Zélia Amador de Deus para falar sobre a África e a diáspora nas Américas.
Brasileiros, negras e negros do continente americano.
More than 190 different indigenous communities of Amazon came to the 9th edition of the World Social Forum held at Belém do Pará in Brazil from 27th January to 1st February 2009 with one goal: to reassert and demand what is their due. The colorful inaugural march by 100,000 delegates on 27th January, starting on the banks of River Amazon, witnessed the vibrant diversities of the struggles in Africa, Asia and Latin America. The March of Solidarity brought the struggles of children, women, youth and various religious groups under one banner. Monopolizing monolithic signs of globalization were challenged by the surge of the pluralistic cultures through their ethnic music and dance. The dignified march of the Amazonian tribes, in the midst of deafening but soul-stirring drumbeat and music, unfolded the determination of their ongoing struggle. WSF at Belém had one orientation: Amazonia. Destruction of the rainforests, flora and fauna of Amazon symbolize the gradual destruction of the planet in the name of development. WSF was truly a clarion call to build another world by joining hands and hearts with the civil societies and solidarity groups. 130,000 people from 142 countries, belonging to 5,808 organizations, congregated at the WSF venue. Most conspicuous among them were 1,900 indigenous peoples, belonging to 190 tribes. More than 2,300 activities, which included animated panels,
but what happened with our people?
Heated debates, enlightening seminars.
But the big question is, civil society movement for the third world now?
Mas eu sou ameaçado de morte, junto com mais 2 bispos desta região leste da Amazônia.
Clemente
nós já vamos ver o significado.
Colorful cultural events, endless marches and protests, and open spaces for direct interactions in this confluence in the heart of Amazon. Global economy, war, peace, human rights, rights of indigenous peoples.
All our struggle together is about justice and about humanity.
Women, children were some of the major themes in many seminars and workshops. The Jesuits of Amazon region organized 2 major workshops which were the crowd pullers. The Sapi led the participants of the workshop through an indigenous form of prayer.
Yet is a creative force.
South Asian people's initiatives has been part of the struggle of the indigenous peoples of South Asia, the Dalits and the tribals in particular, since its inception in 2004. 29 delegates, mostly representing various indigenous communities from India and Afghanistan, participated in the forum to build alliances and networks between South Asia and other indigenous communities of the world. One of the objectives of the participation of SAPI in Belém was to build solidarity networks with other indigenous communities. This objective took concrete shape in the form of a workshop on indigenous peoples to challenge developmental terrorism.
Or every now and then we have police firing on the protesters.
A way and mechanism by which we can build that network much more practical.
Jointly organized with Amazonian groups.
Everybody to be the trees.
Casi todos los pueblos indígenas tenían una ley que protegía las tierras indígenas.
In America, almost all of the indigenous peoples had laws which protected their own land.
Is important. And therefore empowerment of people by them, through them is important.
SAPI's participation culminated in articulating the demand through a joint declaration of the indigenous community.
Binayak Sen is in the custody.
Raising and uniting voices of solidarity, SAPI delegates brought to the fore human rights violations against Dalits and other